expression of speed, style, and innovation. This is the Suzuki Swift Twin Turbo, a car built to push boundaries and redefine what it means to drive with passion. The first glance at the Swift Twin Turbo makes it clear this isn't your average hatchback. Dressed in a striking red finish, its sporty and aggressive look commands attention. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights, a bold honeycomb grille, and a sharply designed bumper that together create an unmistakably powerful stance. It's a car that doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. From the side, the aerodynamic bodyline flows effortlessly from front to rear, giving it a dynamic silhouette even while standing still. The twin-turbo badge subtly hints at the performance packed under the hood. Premium alloy wheels, sculpted side skirts, and low-profile tires contribute to the car's energetic appearance, making it perfect for those who crave both style and substance. At the rear, the design language continues with confidence. Twin exhaust tips reflect the car's performance DNA, while modern LED taillights and a sporty rear bumper enhance its racing-inspired look. The rear spoiler adds a final aggressive touch, improving both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that's built for the thrill of driving. The interior blends comfort, technology, and sportiness seamlessly. Black leather seats with red stitching give the cockpit a bold character. The flat-bottomed steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a fully digital instrument cluster place the driver at the center of control. Every detail, from the illuminated dials to the brushed metal finish, speaks of performance. At the heart of the Swift Twin Turbo is, of course, its twin turbocharged engine. It delivers thrilling acceleration, quick throttle response, and fuel efficiency, a rare combination. Whether you're navigating city streets or opening it up on the highway, the Swift delivers an exciting drive every time. The suspension is tuned for handling and comfort, and the chassis is light yet rigid, giving you full control around every curve. Technology is another strong suit of the Swift Twin Turbo. With a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and advanced safety features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and rear-view camera, the Swift is as smart as it is fast. But this car is more than numbers and specs. It's about the experience. It's about the way you feel when you grip the steering wheel, hear the engine roar, and watch the city blur past the windows. It's confidence, excitement, and freedom, all packed into one compact, powerful machine. The Suzuki Swift Twin Turbo in red is not just a car. It's a lifestyle, a statement of individuality, energy, and drive.